Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Color Tunes with Sampada and Purvi. Today we're gonna see how to make a butterfly using watercolor pencils. Sounds interesting, right? So all we need is some color pencils, paintbrush, white paper, brown paper, scissors and glue. So let's get started. So I've drawn the sketch over here. It's a butterfly sitting on a flower. So first we'll start by coloring the petals of the flower. Here I've taken orange color pencil. So here I'm using watercolor pencils. If you wish, you can use the regular color pencils as well. So we just go on coloring all the petals. Now we'll take a red color pencil and just do some strokes on the edges. Remember to keep your color pencils sharp well. That'll help you in rendering the image very well. Now we'll just take a wet brush and gently move it on the petals. So I've just wet the brush in water and directly applied it on the petals. Now for the stem, I've taken light green color pencil. Now again, wet your brush and just move it gently. So this will give our image a very nice effect. Now here, I'm doing it using a yellow color pencil. Just thin strokes. Now let's begin with our beautiful butterfly. So here I'm using a black color pencil. So we'll start coloring all the areas where we require black. This technique is just a very wonderful technique which will give you the paint effect without using paints. Now we'll just take a wet brush and again gently move it. Go slowly and gently, make sure you do not smudge the colors in the areas where you don't require it. Now I've taken a blue color pencil and gently we go on filling it. So you can go and experiment with different colors of your choice. Make sure you do not put a lot of pressure while doing this. Just go on gently. If you apply a lot of pressure, there's a tendency that the paper may start tearing off. go on doing it in one direction. I've mentioned all the materials used in the description box, so do have a look. Now I've taken a dark blue pencil so now we'll fill the areas where we require the dark blue shade. So just go on doing simple strokes like these. Now, as we did earlier, take a wet brush and gently smudge it. Make sure you do not take a lot of water. Just wet the brush and apply. Wow, this is looking amazing. Now, for some final touches, take a red color pencil and just add strokes onto it. This will make our flower look even more vibrant. So just some thin strokes on the edges. Now for the stem, I've taken dark green and we'll just apply it on the edges. Now if you wish, you can leave it at this stage, or you can have a cutout of it, apply gum and stick it on a colored sheet. I've taken brown sheet. You can take color of your choice. See how pretty this looks. Please like, share and subscribe if you liked our video. Thanks for watching.